Hello everyone, here we are at the beautiful spot and we have a great scenery. We are in observatory spot at Ganghwa-do.
Yeah, Ganghwa-do.
And yeah, somewhere in Incheon, and it's really beautiful. We are ready to ride. Let's go. This is kind of shish kebab, really common in Iran, and this is top sirloin of beef. So initially what we do here, this is a 1-year-old cow. We first score the meat.
You sure 1-year-old?
Yeah, it's a calf. So first we score the meat, and it's gonna make it like way a lot tender. And then, so we're gonna use this skewer, so it's kind of skewer kebab, right? And then we cut it to pieces this big. And here we have onion, chili pepper.
Ah, you marinated, huh?
Yes. And it's gonna be super tender and tasty. And kiwi.
Onion, kiwi,
oil,
pepper, oil,
chili, green pepper, and
salt.
Salt not going. Yeah, salt is going to prolong the time of cooking, so no salt. Salt is going to be added when we are serving. Yeah, later after cooking.
Added yogurt.
Yeah, so Greek yogurt, onion, green chili pepper, and this is kiwi. It's gonna make the meat tender. And black pepper, yeah, we'll just give it a really sweet Thai massage. And yeah, basically that's it. This is the most popular kebab in Iran.
Kubide kebab.
We call it kubide kebab. It's basically ground beef or ground lamb. So it's yeah, and it should be a little bit fatty ground beef.